Once upon a time, in a small village, a father took his 12-year-old son to the forest to work on their farm. While the father was busy, the boy played nearby. Suddenly, the father heard a loud scream. He ran to his son, only to find out it was a joke. The boy laughed, saying there was a tiger, but there was none. The father was upset and went back to work. A little later, the boy did it again. He screamed for help, and once more, the father rushed over, only to find out his son was lying again. This time, the father warned him and walked away. Then, the worst happened. A real hungry tiger appeared. The boy ran and screamed for help, but his father thought it was another lie. So, he didn't come. The tiger attacked, and by the time the father returned, his son was gone.